Hey guys, how you doing today? We're Real Reedy, and what we want to tell you to show you today is 5 things not to do to build a YouTube channel. We're going to call it Brilliant.
Yes, 5 brilliant things we did to screw our first videos up.
Yes, we're talking about when we're trying to build our YouTube channel up. We were brilliant.
Brilliant amateurs. So the first thing to do is get an out of focus camera, because who needs to see what the hell you're doing anyways?
Yeah, nice out of focus, especially when you're trying to do a tutorial.
Yeah.
Duh. You're trying to show them a decor. They can't see it. Brilliant.
Brilliant.
And then you won't get comments like this, right?
Yeah.
Brilliant.
Brilliant, brilliant, brilliant. Real
Number
Reedy.
1, Reedy, Real Reedy.
Brilliant.
All right. Out of focus. Brilliant. Take the time to maybe focus it. If you can't see it when you're up, and how many times, oh, maybe after we upload it, you can see it.
Yeah.
Brilliant.
Wrong. It's going to look even worse, probably. Rule number 2, and you can see it in this video right here. Look ridiculous as you can.
What were you thinking?
Brilliant.
Brilliant. Beanie with a
Fedora.
And looking totally ridiculous will get you dislikes in a hurry.
Brilliant.
Brilliant.
No one will see it.
We got 7 dislikes in 2 minutes.
Yeah, I
We
bet
were
you
kinda
guys can't
proud of
beat that.
We're trying to help here.
It was once again brilliant.
Brilliant.
Number 3 is, this is a good one.
This should be good.
Troll established artists. Make fun of them.
Yeah. Brilliant.
You can see it in this video. We're making fun of old Neil McCoy.
And we love Neil,
And
but we just thought we were trying to.
We sunk down to the bottom of the barrel, all right?
Yeah, and people wasn't really responding. Like, you take someone that loves Neil McCoy, and you're making fun of a video, brilliant!
Brilliant!
I think we might have got a few thumbs down for that one, too. Brilliant! But we could show you fast, huh, dude?
Oh, yeah.
We can get dislikes. We're just trying to help.
We want
Don't
you guys.
do it.
Yeah, just refrain from making fun of people, because it's not going to work out for you. Rule number 4, don't use bad lighting.
Oh, yeah.
I used iguana lightings one time, and this is what you get.
It is.
You can see there's an orange glow over everything. Unless you're Santa Claus, you probably don't want that.
Brilliant, James. And we didn't see that on the upload, of course. And, the funny thing,
We thought it was awesome.
and the thing is, when you actually get it uploaded, brilliant!
Which leads us right into our next one, which is always use bad audio, We got these microphones.
Yeah, why use good
Why
audio
use that?
when you can use bad audio?
Yeah, just plug it in your
Brilliant!
phone. That's why they make microphones, people.
If it sounds bad after you record it, if it sounds bad while you're like, it's probably going to sound bad when you upload it, right? Brilliant!
Brilliant! Like in this video.
Do you suffer from square rump syndrome? Well, I'm here to help you guys fix all that.
Brilliant!
We've done all this stuff, guys, and we're just trying to help.
Just trying to help.
Our bonus tip,
Our bonus tips. Sorry.
make sure there's not stuff in the background that could be distracting to people. For instance,
a dog in a cage.
For instance, an
Especially
iguana
Barky
cage.
Cage. And a bearded dragon.
A trash can, perhaps.
A trash can. Looks like you're in a living
Oh,
room of a
yeah.
house.
And my personal favorite, the inside-out shirt.
Always
Always make sure your shirt is in the right way before you get on camera and upload it.
brilliant.
Yeah, you might not even think about this stuff, but it's ruining your videos, all right? People are running away from your videos if you do any of this stuff.
If it's unwatchable, hurts their eyes, hurts their ears. And anyway,
So that's it, guys.
yeah, and if you had brilliant moments
Go ahead and send any brilliant stuff you see to us.
or ideas, we are brilliant. We're just trying to help, man.
And we're brilliant now.
We're brilliant.
And we want you guys to be brilliant, too. Because we love you guys.
Yeah. Well, thank you for our first episode of Brilliant. Anyways, it's been fun. We thank you guys for all your support. Check out our live shows every Friday.
Just trying to help. See you guys.
Peace out.